Hi folks, Ron Ray here with Turning 65 Solutions. You know, we've been getting a lot of calls lately with people asking about Plan F going away. And there's a rumor going around that the Plan F is going away in the year 2020. And well, that's kind of true for some people, and for some people it's not true at all. So I wanted to just kind of go through a little presentation here just to kind of point out some of the things that you need to know about Plan F and another plan that we'll talk about in a moment that are going to be affected by this new law. So this is going to be our reference just to kind of tell you how these plans work. It's Choosing a Medigap Plan 2018. This book comes from Medicare and is available as a download on our website. You can also download it directly from the Medicare website. Just Google Choosing a Medigap Policy 2018, or if you go to our website, Turning 65 Solutions, or T65S.com, you can just click on the Free Resources tab and it'll be right there for you. And this is page 11 out of this book. And the first thing, before I get into whether or not these plans are going away in the year 2020, I just wanted to kind of do a quick review about how these plans work. Remember, Medicare pays first if you're on original Medicare with a supplement, and then the supplement's job is just simply to pay your share of the bill or a portion thereof. Now, Plan F right here is the most comprehensive, and it pays 100% of your share of the Medicare bill. So all these Medicare approved charges, this is your share here. Medicare Part B coinsurance, that's the 20%. The Medicare Part A deductible, that's $1,340 if you go to the hospital for 60 days. The Medicare Part B deductible of $183. The Medicare Part B excess charge, that's 15%. Of course, this is 2018, so these numbers are all current as of 2018. Well, Plan F pays 100% of those charges. Now, this 80% down here, that's the foreign travel coverage. Plan F pays, Plan G, D, C, G, pay about 80% roughly for foreign travel emergencies. So we're talking today about Plan F and Plan C specifically. So Plan C pays for everything that the Plan F pays for except for that 15% excess charge right here for Part B. Now there's only a handful of doctors that are allowed to bill you that 15%, but still that's a pretty big risk. And when you do the math, the savings just isn't enough to justify that risk between a Plan C and a Plan F. So Plan C ends up not being very popular, and that many people just don't get it compared to, say, a Plan F or a Plan G. But Plan C is also covered under this provision. Now, this is according to the law that went into effect in 2015. It's called the Medicare Access and Chip Reauthorization Act of 2015, the MACRA. And what it said is, as of January 1st, 2020, Plan F and Plan C will no longer be available to new Medicare enrollees after that date. Now, if you're already in Medicare, you already have a Plan F or C after that date, you can keep them. They will not go away. You can keep that plan as long as you want to. And in fact, you will even be able to shop for a new Plan F or a new Plan C after that date. This only applies to people going on Medicare after January 1st of 2020. So don't be scared. Don't let any telephone marketing agent try to scare you out of your Plan F saying it's going to go away, you're going to lose it, you better change right now. That is simply not the case. You will be able to keep it, you will be grandfathered, you will not lose it for any reason other than you canceling it or you failing to make the payments. But all the other plans are unaffected. Plan G, Plan N, high deductible F, D, A, B. All those plans are unaffected. Only Plan F and Plan C, and only for new enrollees after January 1st, 2020. Now, what does this all mean? When everybody's in the plan and they're taking new people in, you've got people who are turning 65 coming into a plan. These people are younger and healthier as a general rule than people who are in their 70s and 80s and have been in the plan for many years. These people cost the insurance company less money, and they're making a higher level of profit on these people than they are the older, sicker people that are in the plan. So what happens is a Plan F goes up in price just like every other plan and every other insurance company. And over time, people figure out that they're paying too much and they want to change plans and go to another company. And when they do that, they're able to go through the underwriting process, answer a few health questions, and get a plan that costs them less. Either it's another Plan F, or maybe they even go to a Plan G that costs them even less than that. Now, the people who aren't healthy enough to answer those health questions, they'll be declined by the insurance company. Now, because these plans are guaranteed renewable for life, you can keep your plan as long as you want to. So what happens over time is that a plan that is no longer taking in new policy owners will begin to have a higher level of claims experience and be less profitable for the insurance company. And as the costs rise for the insurance company, well, who do you think that they must pass those costs along to in order to remain profitable? Because to be fair, insurance companies are in business to make a profit. Well, that's the policyholders. So those costs are going to be passed along to the policyholders. So once there's no new money coming into the plan from new, younger, healthier people, those costs are going to start to go up at an even quicker pace than they already do. And we know that in general, Plan F will go up faster than a Plan G or a Plan N, something that doesn't pay the Medicare Part B deductible. And over time, these rate increases are going to accelerate after January 1st, 2020. And I've talked to a couple of people at the insurance companies, insiders, that just kind of have substantiated my belief that actuarially there will be a need to increase these rates over time, and over time those rates will go up a little bit faster than normal. So what it really means is you may want to consider going ahead and switching to a Plan G now. Now, again, I want to stress that you are not required to do any of this. And I have heard stories from some of my clients that they've gotten a phone call from a Medicare telemarketer that has been kind of scary and using these high-pressure scare tactics on their phone to sell their Medicare plans and telling people Plan F's going away and you have to change your plan right now because you're going to lose it. Again, I want to stress that is not the case. You are not going to lose it through no fault of your own. But you definitely will want to consider go ahead and making that change now while you're able to answer those health questions. If you're relatively healthy, you'll be able to answer those health questions and switch to a plan that's going to save you more money now. Because if you keep your Plan F past the year 2020, and then you develop some health problems that would prevent you from getting a new plan, then you would be stuck with it, paying that higher price, and those prices are going to go up on you even quicker over time. So now's the time to consider that, making that change. Now, we help you do that. We walk you through that process of making those changes, answering those health questions, doing the applications for you, finding the right plan for you in your area at the right price, the best company at the best price with the best plan for you. And that's our job here at Turning 65 Solutions. My name's Ron Ray. Give us a call here. The number's 1-800-515-4031. You can check out our website at t65s.com. There's a lot of helpful information there, some free resources. There's a Medicare 101 e-course. And we're here to help you anytime. Just give us a call or send us an email. Contact us through the website. Even comment here on YouTube. You can put some comments down below. If you have any questions, you can even ask your questions there. And like the video, share it with your friends. Click the little subscribe button and click the bell right next to the subscribe button. And you'll be notified whenever we post another one of these helpful videos. And we're posting these on a regular basis with new updated information on Medicare and Medicare supplements, so to keep you informed of any changes that may be coming down the pipe. And we're just here for you anytime you need something. Give us a call. Again, my name's Ron. We'll see ya.